Videos are nothing without traffic. You can have the best one ever, but no traffic means no sales. YouStudio is a combination of 7 different video marketing software, all aimed at generating traffic from different sources within YouTube. The traffic that is generated is real. No dummy or fake email addresses. Starting now, everyone on YouTube will be driven to your offers and website. Let me introduce you real quick to the 7 top traffic generating software inside the bundle. Number 1. Viral Keyword Tool. Grab all the viral keywords quickly using the easiest keyword research tool ever created. Start creating videos that go viral around the topics that really matter, the ones people are searching for. Number 2. Headline Analyzer. Your videos are dead in the water if you can't title them well. This tool will help you analyze viral-worthy headlines that make your videos go viral using a unique subliminal algorithm around emotional and power words. Number 3. Viral Video Finder. Lets you see the exact viral videos that are making waves on the internet, including all their engagement stats across several social media platforms. Number 4. Video Syndication. Schedule your videos directly from YouTube to 3 of the biggest social media platforms in the world. Number 5. YouRanker Competitor Spy. Place your videos or client videos side by side with your competitor and see exactly what they're doing that you're not doing. Number 6. YouTube Graphics Designer. Lets you create professional graphics assets for your videos or client videos with preset YouTube banner sizes you can simply select and start using. Number 7. Video Slide Creator. This simple video presentation app helps you create simple slideshow videos for your channel. And we are not done yet. Make tons of money selling YouTube video marketing services to local businesses. Yes, with the commercial license included in the main offer for a limited period only. You can become the go-to agency for YouTube video marketing needs of all the local businesses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.